Hi there, I am Dawan, and in this episode, I'm going to answer the question I asked in the previous video about these two blocks. So now I'll repeat the question. This is the colder block and this is the hotter block. This is 0 degrees Celsius and this is twice as hot as this one. So what is the temperature of the red block? Now, the way to answer this is, like I told you, that the Celsius scale isn't very good because 0 degrees Celsius of the Celsius scale is not actually 0. And we cannot apply maths to the Celsius scale because, well, maths is that every value has a fixed point, meaning if you take 0 in maths, the 0 must be 0. The 0 cannot be another conversion saying that 0 is equal to 1. And 1 is a different math scale and this 0 is a different math scale. But in science we have different scales, meaning that there is maths applicable for Celsius scale, maths applicable for the Fahrenheit scale, maths applicable for the Kelvin scale, but we need one definite scale, and that's why scientists invented the Kelvin scale. The Kelvin scale has no negative degrees, and the 0 Kelvin is a temperature that we will never be able to reach because absolute 0 is impossible, because there will always be some heat left in the object you want to cool down. If you want to know more information about this, you should search on YouTube laser cooling, and you will find out why reaching absolute 0 is impossible. So now, back to the question. The way to answer this is to convert it to the Kelvin scale, which is the most definite scale. This is 0 degrees Celsius, but this is twice as hot. So this will be how much degrees Kelvin in the Kelvin scale? So the way to convert is to add 273 to the number. So we add 273 to this called the blue block. We add 273, it becomes 273. Now this is twice as hot as this. So we multiply 273 by 2. So 273 plus 273 gives us something I know in the 6, 7, 7, 4, 1. 546. Yeah. So 273 plus 273 gives us 546. So this is 546 Kelvin. And this is 273 Kelvin. So now we want to find out the temperature of this in degrees Celsius. So we minus 273 from the Celsius, from the Kelvin. This is 546 minus 273, that gives us 273. So what we end up is that this is 273 degrees Celsius, this is 0 degrees Celsius. So that's the answer. I hope you liked it. And as always, thanks for watching.